Hey guys, I know that you are prepping for the end of the semester, and so I want to work through a review with you guys to make sure that you can do very well on this. So the first question is find the equation of the line passing through 3, 2 and perpendicular to the line given. The only thing that we need from this equation is this slope. So we're going to write down m equals 5/3. Remember that the perpendicular slope is going to be the negative reciprocal of the slope that we're given. Now that we have dealt with that, we are not going to use this equation anymore. So don't get confused by the fact that it's still there. Now we have a point and the slope that we need. So we're going to do our y equals mx plus b. We're going to plug in this perpendicular slope here for m. We're going to plug in 3 for x, and then we're going to plug in 2 for y. So our equation is going to look like this. Now we just have to multiply. It's going to be negative 9/5 plus b. And then we're going to add over the 9/5. So we're going to have 2 plus 9/5 equals b. In order to multiply this, or sorry, to add these together, we have to get a common denominator. So we are going to multiply 2 by 5/5. And this is really like 2/1. So it's going to be 10/5 plus 9/5 equals b. So we're going to have 19/5 equals b. To finish out this problem, we would now plug in our corresponding slope, which is here, and our y-intercept, which is here, to get our final equation. So it's going to be y equals negative 3/5 x plus 19/5. And that is your answer.